Not an issue. Good morning, Angela. Good morning, Deepshika. Deepshika is asking in the chat, can it cure ear discharge problem?
Yes.
Yes, Deepshika. What I can say is, of course, it will work in making it much better. Yes, it
Okay,
does
because
will
of
make
that,
the difference. But
yeah,
when
because
it
of
takes
that,
a
I
lot.
can't hear properly.
Okay.
I am unable to attend Zoom call and all that because it's low volume
Mm-hmm.
and I am unable to hear properly and I can't use earphone and all that as my ear discharge is from both and temporal bone is totally damaged, so I can't use earphone and all that and I have to learn this technique so it can means whether I will ever to hear you properly and all that. That was the thing going on in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
So can you help me regarding that?
So let us do one thing. Let me just try one session right now on you.
Okay.
Yes. If right now you would
Hmm.
say good hearing is on the level of 10, correct? So
Yeah.
right now, how much is it with you right now on the level of 1 to 10? 10 being the best you can hear. Right now, how much you can hear?
Right now, 5 will be my level because not properly I can hear you, but
Mhm.
little bit I am trying to hear you. It's like that.
Okay. So just give me 3, 4 minutes. Yeah. Till the
Yeah.
time I work on you, let us
Okay.
see what opens up for you and let us see what changes you are able to feel. Just be receptive to the changes, to the difference in the sound, in the voice. Yes?
Okay. Yeah. And my name is Pooja, not Deepshika. Deepshika is my daughter's name.
Okay. Your full name, Pooja?
Pooja Shinde.
Pooja Shinde. And you are from
Mumbai Kalyan.
Mumbai, Kalyan. Sure. So
Yeah.
just give me 3, 4 minutes, Pooja, till I work on you. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sure.
Phone. Phone. This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, Pooja, now you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. So basically what I could say, with one session, you'd be able to see a difference of on the frequency of 3, 2 to 3. Like right now you said on the level of 1 to 10, you are able to hear at 5. That is half than
Yeah,
what you expect.
yeah.
You will be able to take it up to 7 to 8 with the effect of this one session within next 24 hours.
Wow, what?
Right now, is there any change which you are feeling immediately?
Yeah, actually, I sense something is coming from my crown chakra,
Mhm.
and after that, within a second, my eyes are having tears, lot of tears. Means I'm crying or it's tears are coming. I don't understand that.
It is the sign of release. It is a sign of release. But when it comes to hearing, were
Yeah,
you able to see any noticeable change? You said on the level of 1 to 10, you were able to hear at 5.
yeah.
Where
Now,
is it right now?
yeah, yeah. I can hear you properly now.
Yeah, so is it has went to level 10, level 9, level 8, level
Level
7,
six. I can say six up to six.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So there has been an improvement, and within next 24 hours, you will see it going much further. But let me tell you, you would require at least 7 to 8 sessions to get good
Okay.
hang of it. And apart from that,
Mm.
there is certain inner work that you need to do because when we say hearing is all about, when we say ear problems, ears are all about hearing. So any words that you couldn't hear, you don't want to hear, that
Mm-hmm.
is what has been the emotional issue behind this. So when
Okay.
you need a permanent solution for this, you need to work on this. You need to work on this for at least anywhere between 21 to 42 days for the,
Okay.
I would say, permanent resolution of this problem. Yeah.
Wow. What else is possible? How does it get even better than that?
Thank you. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
So I can join your course, no?
Yes, sure. So what
Oh.
I'm saying is, see, I'm talking to each and every one of you.
Mm-hmm.
Being a healer myself into multiple modalities, I am again reiterating that I'm not promising that you do this and it will be resolved. Even your doctors cannot promise you that, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But what saying is what I can share my experience. I can help you see what changes you felt.
Yeah.
You had few people coming on the call and sharing their experiences.
Yes.
This is how the healing journey goes. Yes?
Yes. And your course is on 14th, no? I think so.
Yes, it is on 14th June.
14th June. Okay.
Yes.
Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Okay.
will be
Thank you.
joining this course
Thank you.
definitely.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to have you on the call. Thank you very much. I'm
Yeah,
muting
thanks a
you.
lot for giving this session.
Thank you. Much
Thank you.
gratitude. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Uh, Chaya is raising her call. Uh, Chaya is raising her hand. So I will just wait
Yeah.
for it.
Shant, I'm Chaya here. Can I?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, very clearly.
Yeah. So, Shushant, I had fallen down from a height of around, say, 5-6 feet on my back from a
Okay.
stool. And
Okay.
this was almost, say, 18-20 years ago, or maybe more.
Okay.
And I have an ongoing back issue.
Uh-huh.
Even my spine, somewhere in the middle of the back, is a little outward. So the place where people have a
Got it.
curve, for
Yes.
me, it is protruded outwards. And I have an
Understood.
ongoing lower back, upper back. So it multiplies from here to there and all that. So I have
Correct.
this ongoing on-off back issue.
Hmm.
So how do I treat it? Can this help?
Do you have any kind of pain in your spine, or is it just that it is protruded and
I have pain in my spine. Sometimes
okay?
it's very high, sometimes it is very low.
Mhm.
And over the years, it has, like, from my just below my neck to the base of the spine, it keeps happening somewhere or the other ongoingly. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad.
So let me tell you, pain is something you will be able to resolve it with
Okay.
this modality. So whether spine may be protruded slightly outwards,
Yeah.
that can happen, but with much consistent practice, I would say for few months. I'm not even saying 1 month. I would say at least 2 to 3 months. Standalone with this modality. Yes, if you are including any other modality here, like if you have learned Lama Fera or Humkara with Talim, and you are combining it here, you can expect the changes in almost half the time.
Okay.
Yeah, so pain is something you will be able to work on. You will learn few tools where you can just get rid of the pain instantly within 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need to take medicine. In most of the cases, you may be able to relieve your pain just with the help of this modality. And
Okay.
that's where you can help yourself. Regarding,
Okay.
I would say spine, let me be honest, I haven't worked on any such case till now with this modality. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So at present, I'm not in a state to make a claim that standalone highest frequency healing will work on this.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so even if the pain goes, I don't mind it having a protruded spine. It does not make a difference as long as I'm able to be pain free. That would.
Yes.
And I've not done any other modality as
Hmm.
such. I do counseling, but that is therapeutic. So I've not done any energy work as such.
Hmm. Sure. So correct. So pain is something you can get rid of. And regarding the bone correction, yes, it might take time. It might take a lot of time.
Okay.
Yeah. In fact, if you Star Magic is the modality which works very specifically on this.
Okay.
So if you know the Sanjay who came yesterday for the testimonial,
Yeah,
maybe you
yeah,
can get
yeah.
in touch with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of questions are pouring in. Hello, good morning. Okay, good morning, Angela. I have severe chronic back pain. Can it be healed? Actually, each day is a struggle.
You're
I get
having a
up
bath.
and there a remedy. Okay, Chaya, was that you? Galaxy, correct? Chronic back pain. Okay.
Uh,
Jaya is
my,
asking.
my name is written Chaya only.
Okay,
Sushant,
so
Galaxy is mine.
okay, so you have asked the same question, I think. So you'll get your answer. Yes, pain is something you can get rid of with the practice of this modality. It works beautifully on pains. Yeah. And Jaya is asking, my name is Jaya. Day before yesterday, I fell down suddenly when I had gone out. I think due to mask, I was suffocated and breathless. Now the issues from day before, my head is riddling in pain and there's pain in my ear too. The right side of my head feels very heavy. My pain is an 8 on 10. Okay. Okay. 8 on 10. Jaya, can you come online?
Yes, I'm online, Sushantji, and I've also enrolled for your class. If you remember, yesterday I'd messaged you. So
Yes.
I really don't know whether this pain kind of stuff will help. I'm not too sure. So since day before, it's very unbearable. So if you can guide me and help me. Also, I have another question. I have enrolled for Brenda Charu miracle session, but my question was that can this be merged with that to get better results, because I've already enrolled, so I'm not sure how it works.
Even I have also enrolled for BNC Miracles.
Okay.
So I'm yet to learn it. But yes, as far as I know, with any modality, this can be combined. If BNC Miracle is something, it works on chakras, your energy body, energy pathways. Yes, this modality can very well be combined with that. If
Okay.
BNC Miracle has any symbols, we can combine it with this modality. Basically, this modality will have a very simple technique. Once you invoke it, once you start it, within that shield, within that structure, whatever you do, whichever healing you do,
Mm.
even whether you do counseling, even whether you do tarot reading, you will feel much more refreshed after the session. Your clients will give you feedback that no, I feel much lighter. Instead of, many times it happens as a counselor, as a tarot reader, or as a healer, many people get drained during their
Okay.
sessions. They have this habit of taking up the energy of other people.
Right.
So that is something you can get rid of. uh, yes, pain is something, yes, we can work very well on that. And
So
I just want.
Sushantji,
Hmm,
actually I am not a healer, but
hmm,
I'm planning in future to embrace this field. Maybe
hmm.
maybe 1 or 2 years down the line, but I'm kind of doing the groundwork.
Okay.
So since I have already kind of enrolled for BNC and this,
Hmm.
wanted to understand, can I do it on myself also and my
Yes,
immediate
yes.
family members? I mean, not for clients, but at least my immediate family. Is that
You,
possible?
yes, you can do it on others. Others include your family, your clients, animals, plants, trees, manifestation of certain desire. When it say others, this all these things are included in
Self,
others.
also self, right?
Yes, yes, very much. Any
Okay.
modality that we practice, we are able to do it on self. That is the minimum that we can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this possible to help me with this pain now? Because also this pain is actually going on towards my chest. I don't know
Mhm.
that day. I think I wore the mask for
Yes.
3 hours
Yes.
and
So
I
can
just blanked out.
yes. Right now, are you online? Maybe if possible, you can.
You want to? Can I put my video on?
Yes.
Okay. Not sure if you can see me.
No, we are not able to see you yet
Uh,
now, but
yeah, it's blurred because
very blurred.
there's too much light here. Unfortunately, it's a natural light. Can't do anything about it. But it's
Not
necessary.
an issue. Not an
Okay.
issue. That
Okay.
is enough. If
Okay.
you want, you can just turn it off and just tell me your full name and current location.
So Sushantji, my full name is Jaya Ramsinghani,
Okay.
and my current location is Bangalore.
Okay. Sure. So just give me a few minutes, and you are having a pain in your
Severe
head.
pain on my in my head. It's reeling, and
Okay. Okay.
it's like somebody is putting hammer.
Mm-hmm,
Pain
mm-hmm.
in my right, that whole right side is hurting, my ear, my head, and my
Okay.
chest also. The chest pain is around 2 on 10, but the others
Okay.
is 8 on 10.
8 on 10. Sure. So just
Yeah,
give me a few minutes while I work on it. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
Yes, Jayaji. So I'm done with the session. What are
Okay.
the changes that you are able to feel as of now?
So my heart was pounding very fast. I mean, I
Mhm.
really was feeling the heartbeat really rose. My pain in my head, I can say, has come down from an 8 to 6. I'm still having that hammering noise in my ear and head.
Mhm. Mhm.
However, the heart pounding is still continuing, Sushanji. I am
It
not.
will settle. It will settle. Have
Oh,
some water.
okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Pain is a 6 now, but it's still that
Yeah.
lingering, hammering effect in my ears and my right side of head.
Yes. Just share your feedback in 15 minutes where it went.
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Sushant. This is
Hi.
Meeta speaking.
Yes.
I just joined in. I missed the previous thing.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. No, so previously we just
Yeah.
covered
So
2
I missed the
cases.
previous 20 minutes or so,
Mm-hmm.
and I've written my problem on this thing. What I need is you to do something about the severe pain in my jawline and gum and teeth.
Just a second. Not able to put my name. I would love to have a
But
session
this is my
offline.
first round with you. I don't know how to go ahead.
Sure. Mahek, you can connect with me one to one
Okay. Thanks,
on
This is
my.
Sushant.
Meeta speaking.
Yes, you can connect with me one to one on my mobile after the session. Yes. Poonam is saying Shashank Alkyor honest.
Yeah, Shashanji,
Yeah.
I'm here. Actually, I've also registered for the course,
Yes.
and I work in the space of past life regression and family constellation, and that is there. But my mom, live in Pune. She lives in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and she had a stroke 6 months back, and now she has to live with my sister-in-law, so she's having a lot of mood swings which are becoming a problem. So can we do
Yes.
something to calm her, to be more harmonious in her space where she is now, or
Yes.
surrounding?
With HFH, like from the first session itself, you'll be able to see at least 30 to 40% change, and within 3 to 5 sessions, you'll be able to see a lot of noticeable change in her mood.
Okay, Shushanti,
Yes.
can I, because yesterday there was a desperate call, and since I can't go to her because we all are stuck, so can I request you, in case something can be given to her now, today,
Okay.
because
So
yours will be highest frequency than mine will be
sure,
on
sure,
14th.
sure. So let us do one thing.
Yeah.
Uh, just do one thing. Just put in the chat the name and location of the persons you want healing for. Before you, there was, I think, someone else was also on the call. I think you would have written your issue on the chat as well. So what I'm doing is now I will just give one group healing.
Okay,
All
I've
the
given
people.
her name. Given
Just,
her
yeah,
name.
just
Yeah.
just post the name and current location. That's it.
Yeah, I have given that.
I
Yeah.
will just send a group healing to all those people who are putting their name. Mehak, you can also put your name here.
Okay.
Just put your name, put your current location. I'll be at the end of the call. I'll be giving a group healing to all of you. Okay. Chronic severe back pain. Okay. Honesty. Thank you very much, Poonamji. Honesty. Thank you. Thank you very much. Is there a remedy? Someone Galaxy asking. Yes, there is a remedy in HFH. Yes, it works beautifully on pains. But not only pains, it can also work on the emotional issues which were responsible for the pain. So generally, yeah. Can you include access and other healing forms with HF course? If so, I would like to join. I have already learned PH up to psychotherapy, pranic healing up to psychotherapy. Yes. So Jayashri ji, yes, you can combine this with pranic healing as well. We can combine it with access consciousness as well. And I myself am an access bars practitioner. So yes, each day is suffering and pain always okay. Yes. Hi Sushant, Angela here from Dubai. Yes. Hello Angela. I already signed up even before the program started. I felt
Shanji, this is
drawn.
Pinaki here.
Yeah.
I'm not a healer,
Hmm.
but I do have frequent headaches
Mhm.
and I go into Graki. Like my pulse rate does drop down drastically.
Mhm.
And since last 3 days, I have very severe headache and I feel there is something stuck up in my throat. Even it's painful.
Mhm. There's some background noise due to which I cannot hear you.
I have a very
Yeah.
I'm not a healer.
It's
I
okay.
have since last 3 days, I have a very severe headache. I
Mhm.
go into brachy. Like my pulse rate drops very drastically, even my BP drops drastically.
Mhm.
It would be from 3 minutes to 20 minutes. And I have a very, I feel there is something stuck up in my throat.
Okay, sure. So I would request you just drop your name and current location in the chat.
I've done that.
Yes,
My
I'll
name is
include you. Yes, I'll include you in the group healing. Once the healing is over, within 10 to max 15 minutes, you can share your feedback. Either you can share it on WhatsApp group. Yeah. Yes.
I put it on WhatsApp group itself.
Yes. So I'll be including all the people who have written their name and current location in WhatsApp. You want to put it for your family member, someone else? Yes, you can very much do that.
Sure.
Till then, just please bear with me, because if I take one, what will happen is we will end up taking up the entire call
I
duration. I will
understand.
not be able
Yes.
to attend to each and every one of you. Whereas
Yes.
if I do a group healing, I'll be able to contribute something to each and every one of you.
Sure.
Yes, so that is just my humble request. Just bear with me. Hi Sushant, Angela from Dubai. Hello Angela, I already signed up. Okay, okay. Myself have done Nana. Reiki is also very good, but I would like to experience the healing. What I am going to learn from you. I'm feeling a lot of discomfort and unease, like fear, because I have to join back work with additional responsibility that I myself don't want to do it. Vision, I'm going to try to get up, but I can get help to heal that fear and support by others. Thank you. Sure, Angela. I'm including your name. Yes, I'm including on the intention that you want to work on. My son has a 30% healing loss. I think that is hearing loss, Maherji, as far as I can understand. I would say on hearing loss, it can help. It can make situation better. Yes. Right. Till date, like I haven't worked on hearing loss of someone. Like if there is a complete hearing loss, I haven't worked on someone, so I cannot share my feedback. But yes, I would say HFH is something this will work on any issue. It will at least make it better, 30-40% better, more comfortable, more better. Yes, this is what I can say. This is what has been a uniform result. This is what has been a uniform feedback from all the participants who have learned or who have taken healing sessions from me. Whenever I'm saying, okay, this can happen. So basically, I'm a finance guy, by profession also. So you know how finance people are. We are number crunching guys. So I just would like to explain to all of you one thing. When I say this will work for XYZ issue, it means, say, for example, 100 people came to me for healing and 100 had a hearing loss issue, and I worked with HFH on 100 people, and at least more than 60 to 70 plus of them got the results. This is what similar kind of criteria is followed in medical also, that once the medicine gives certain level of result, only then it is made available to the public. So only after getting these results, I will claim that this modality work on that. Yes, even if I'm getting results, such result with 40 people, I I won't be claiming that no, it will work on you, because I don't know. Right now, I'm in the space of I don't know. I can work with you. You can learn. You can work with yourself. Yes, you can see the result. There are many people who have seen the results. I have seen the results. If there were 40 cases where it worked, then when I combine it with other modality, the cases went to 60 to 70% where I got better results. Yes, but yes, one thing is there. Whichever issue the person is going through, whether it could be hearing loss, whether it could be physical pains, whether it could be emotional discomfort, whether you feel that you are burdened with excess responsibility and you need that energy push, you need that peace, calmness of mind. Yes, this modality for sure, this will help whichever issue wherever you are. And if you need to put it on the scale of 1 to 10, somewhere 7, 8, 9, this will reduce it at least 2 to 3 points within 5 minutes, and within half an hour to hour, you will feel much better. With consistent practice, you can experience much lasting changes. Once you learn the modality, the healing technique is very simple. It takes hardly 1 to 2 minutes to invoke it, and then you can work with it. You can work while you're sitting on your office desk. You can work while you are in, you can work while you are just sitting idle. So there are no such special requirements that you need to wear something, you need to have certain material with you. No. Yes, so this is the beauty of this modality. This is the beauty of the simplicity of this modality. Galaxy, someone is asking, can I get a demo, please? Sever neck pain as well as wear lower back muscles. Yes, sure. Please drop your name. Not hearing. Yes, my mother and grandson are always okay. Punam ji, just put your mother's name in the chat. Sure. Kamalvich Dehradun, thank you very much. Can I also connect to you over call instead of now? Yes, sure. Galaxy, yes, you can. Dubai, thank you very much. Angela D'Souza, Prakash K. Gandhi from Mumbai. Yes, Meena Verma, Kalyan, Rashmi, Almakra, Kerala. Even for my mom, Rakshmi Kankar, Andheri. Sure, Chayaji. Thank you very much. Neelu Agrawal, Mehak, Hardasani, Hong Kong. Sure, Mehak. Sonal Bhupendra Shah. Yes. Lakshmi PV, Mehak, probably from Bangalore. Eva, Hong Kong. Thank you, Eva. Can it take care about past life issues? No, I would say not necessarily. Because what I believe is what was past was past. Anything that coming into the present or you are suffering through that, the only reason for that is it happens only and only when you are not able to stay in the present. So yes, this modality will help you to be in the present so that the past, that is the memory, or future, that your imagination, that cannot haunt you, that cannot trouble you. With this, I can help you. Basically, what has happened in the past, it is always already ingrained in your unconscious. And I don't know, like if we say past life issues, we don't know which issues you may be talking about. If you could maybe generalize it, psyche could work better on it. Jyoti Ramakrishnan Chandan, yes. Thank you, Jyoti ji. For skin allergy on palms, allergy from dishwashing soap, Shilpa Srivastava GSW. Allergies, I haven't tried it, but let's be curious after today's session and just share in the group whatever results you can get in the next 12 hours. Yeah. Sanjay Shetty, I confirm it with many different modalities, enhances all as its energy, and all modalities work on energy. Thank you. Thank you very much again, Sanjay, for your kind words. Namaste. Namaste, Maharji. I would like for my niece Rahat. She's in India. Sure, Mahakji. Just Rahat and drop her city. Poonam Kalra, Pune. Thank you, Poonamji. Vani Vyom D. Jaising. Thank you, Vani. Your number, please. My number is there in the group as well. I have just put the message sharing the meeting ID and the password as well. Well, I will just drop it in the chat. Just a second. Anup Agrawal, Aiksha Agrawal, thank you. Thank you, Neeluji. Freni, Bangalore, thank you, Meher. Vani, thank you, Vani. Rekha Bajaj, thank you. Lalit Kumar Bagaria, thank you. Dinesh Jaising, thank you, Vani. Uma Bagaria, thank you. Neelu Agrawal ji, Jaya ji, Basanti Ram Singhani, thank you very much. Vani, thank you. Can't hear you properly. Okay. Can all of you hear? Just say in the chat. I think right now it might be much better. Maybe at 10:32 a.m. it might not be. Komal Talreja, Montesh Chabria, Mumbai for group healing. Sure. Thank you very much, Komal. Basanti Ramsana, thank you. I would like to add my son's name, Deepsha. Sure. Yes. Thank you, Sonalji. How does this modality contribute to autistic kids? Or is it autistic kids? I don't know. Jyoti ji has asked. Kids who are unable to speak till 10 to 15 years of age. So that's where the beauty of this modality comes. Once you invoke it, and then there are certain questions. Yes, I put it very simple. I have simplified it very much. There are 5-6 questions that you need to ask to the higher self of the person for whom you are healing. Once you ask the question, you will get certain answers, you will get certain inputs, you will get certain results. And just do that. You will see results are phenomenal. Just trust in the process and you will see the results would be magical. So this is how we go. Basically, I personally haven't worked on anyone who is a autistic kid, like who's not able to speak till 10 to 15 years of age. Yes. So just drop, Jyoti ji, just drop the name of the person here. I'll be doing a group healing for him as well. And let me know any changes in the next being autistic kid. It's been 10, 15-year-old issue, so might take 24 hours for the results to appear. Yeah. I would also like to receive the healing for my husband, Sridhar. Sure, Angela ji. Also in Dubai was on chest pain. Sure. Can it work for entity clearing? Yes, Deepshika ji. It works very beautifully for entity clearing. In fact, in many modalities, few of the modalities they work on talking with entity. Few of the modalities they work on kind of removing entities. Here, we work slightly different. We work on what the entity needs and we work according to those solutions. And generally these, in 90% of the cases, these solutions are ridiculously simple, as ridiculous as, like I've got somebody sharing that, you give them the glucose biscuit and milk, like that was.
So it is included in this course only, no? That
Yeah, how to get this answer, that is included in the course. Now answer could be different in case of different entity.
yeah.
Experience
So
I have
it will
found,
be benefited for
yes, it
that
will be
person.
beneficial. It will be beneficial. Yes.
And for stuck money and all that means many people are having that someone has taken the money. So from this healing we can release that money or like that something.
That you need to ask. Once you invoke the modality, you need to ask there first. What is that you need to see? What is that which has been the block? It will give you certain answers and you need to follow that process for a few days.
Okay.
Yes, you could see results with that. But I would say I have worked on, like, for stuck money cases, generally I have worked in combination.
Okay.
Yeah. So I worked with HFH generally. In fact, most of the sessions that I do it with combination. If it is HFH, then it's generally more than 11 to 12 modalities combined in the session itself. Now, since last a year or so, I have been doing independent HFH sessions, and my feedback has been, yes, you do get the answers, okay, what needs to be done. And that you need to do it as an action part in your real life, because your only access to transformation in your real life is action. Healing can change the energies, healing can change the frequencies of the issue. Once you take the action, things start to move in your life. Yes.
Okay.
That clarity you
And
will get.
Yeah, okay. And it will also improve senses and all that, because right now I can't sense anything. If means I have attuned for Reiki also, but
Mhm.
I was unable to feel the energy what they were sending to me, like that.
No, so I don't know whether you have done it, the Reiki attunement from distant or in person. Generally, what happens
I
if the
have done
attunement
both in
is
person also and by
uh,
distance also, but I am unable to sense that energy.
it's okay. It works for different people different way. If you are not able to see it, there's no issue with that.
Okay.
Yeah, so energies work in different way with different people. I've seen
Okay.
some people laughing during attunements. I've seen
Yeah.
some people, they don't feel anything at all. They said, I don't know what happened. But when they start doing the healing session, they
Hmm.
start seeing the result. So that's
Yeah,
what you will know
results
when
are
you
there,
start
but
doing the Reiki.
hmm. But I am unable to sense that. That's the
That's okay. That's completely okay.
okay, okay.
That is
Then
different to each and every individual. And I don't see it as any problem. No.
okay, okay.
Yeah. As far as when you practice Reiki, you are able to get the results. All is well and all is good.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Thank you.
always, thank you very much. Focus on the results, not on the feel part of it.
Actually, I am also an SS bar facilitator. So
Hmm.
when I was practicing with one of my clients, no, so whenever we runs by, that energies we are able to sense. So when I was doing, so I was able to connect with from right hand side that there is energies flowing, and I was working from that. The client told me that you have to sense the energy from both the sides. So that's why I was little confused whether it was working properly or not.
Mm, no, it's okay. I don't know. Like, it's fine, but even if you don't feel it, it's fine. Energies work,
Fine.
whether you feel it or you don't feel it.
Okay, okay, fine.
The the
Thanks for the
final
clarification. Yeah,
the final thing that you need to focus on is result.
yeah,
Or you would see changes in any area of your life. Not necessarily every time energy would work on the requested issue only. You always receive what you need the most in that moment. Maybe
yeah,
sometimes that pain is something that you need to carry for certain time to teach you certain lessons.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it happens. Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can it work on entity clearing? Yes, Deepshika ji, I have answered your question. Yes, it works very beautiful on entity clearing. Why are there levels in highest frequency healing? Is Siddhikaran required like in Lama Fera? I think that is Komal. You are joined from a link, Dr. Komal Tarreja. So there are levels because with each level there required certain practice. You do the level one, you practice it for few months, then you go up to level two. If I end up teaching you each and everything in level one, many of you might be confused okay, what to practice, what not to practice, how to go about it. One thing. Second thing, in terms of time constraint, I can teach level 1 in 5 hours. If I teach both level, it would be 2 to 3 days course. Hence, it has been divided in the levels. Siddhikaran required like in Lama Fera. Yes, I won't name it as Siddhikaran, but yeah, you need to practice it for 11 days after learning, after receiving the attunement, so that your healing powers are amplified. Whatever healing you will do, it will be much more structured. You will be able to quickly pick on the things that have been taught to you in the workshop. So that's why 11 days practice is required. Yes, Siddhikaran. And Angela is asking, generally most modalities don't allow to work on third party because it is interfering on another person's privacy. How does it work with highest frequency healing? Yes, so in highest frequency healing, what I will be doing in today's call is I'll be working with a group of people. Yes, you have put a name of 30, 40, 50, 60, maybe hundreds of peoples. I'll be just taking all of their name, all of their location. I'll just have one quick glance through it because your unconscious can remember everything. Conscious doesn't. Conscious can remember 3 to 7 things at a time, but your unconscious remembers everything. All the issues that you have written, all are stored in my unconscious. All the names, all are stored. And once I start with the healing, I ask their higher self, yes, are you open to receive the healing? Yes, please proceed, receive it. That's it. And I go ahead with my healing. So whatever the person needs to receive, they will receive. even if they are not able to receive, the one of the intention I will also give is that be receptive. This is for the highest and greatest good of you as well as me, and it doesn't have any harm to you as well as for me. That's it. Once we say the neutralizing statements, uh, I would say there are no person or there are no energies which will resist receiving this healing. Everyone will receive. Everyone's higher self will agree to receive the healing. We can work on, yes, third party we can work on, provided we need to just, many times what happens, Angela, is you get the message in terms of maybe colors, maybe smell, which would give you signal that no, this person maybe doesn't want healing or doesn't want to receive the healing. I would say we can still do healing for them. Yes, I'm again saying, even if they don't want to receive, we can do it for them. But generally as a healer, I don't do it. And neither do I suggest anyone to do that. So don't get into anyone else's mess when they themselves are not willing to set it right. Please don't do that. Yes. Any do's and don'ts, precautions, any side effects? So no, there are no side effects. There are no precautions as such. Any do's and don'ts? Yes, if during the 11 days practice, you need to refrain from eating non-veg, you need to refrain from drinking and all these things, which, yes. So that is just
Shashank,
for you to increase your energy levels and to ensure that whatever the energy is generated with the practice of these modalities, that is integrated and absorbed in your energy body. Even if you don't do that, it's fine. But then let me tell you, results that you get with eating non-veg, drinking and all these things, and results that you get without doing that will be different. Okay?
Sushant, just to continue that,
Hmm.
so you said 11 days we have to practice. How much time does it take each day in those 11 days?
I would say hardly 10 to 15 minutes.
And even after the 11 days, do we need to continuously do meditation or something to keep our energies high? Like, you know, how Reiki and all, they say you have to continuously keep doing it on your.
So, yes. So see what happens. We as an individual are full of layers. There are thousand issues buried deep within our unconscious. Each passage of time brings that issue up. And that is why, as a person, no healer is consistent throughout their life. We all go through different issues, correct? Once you start doing the daily, you make a healing as your daily practice, what will happen is you will see a lot of petty issue clearing up, lot of deep blocks clearing up. Your energy body, your aura expands, your chakras, auras, it becomes strong. And hence, once they become strong, your power as a healer to heal yourself and other goes to different level. So always remember, practice has to be there. Yes, healing has to be there. But here, if you do 11 days practice and later on, if you're discontinuing and then doing it for some client after a few days, it's fine. You will still see the results. But when you're doing daily healing, the results will be completely different because there's a lot of cleansing is happening, a lot of release is happening, a lot of creativity is what you are being exposed to. A lot of new things is what you will be coming across to. Yes, that's the reason you need to
So,
practice healing daily.
Sushant, so for someone like me who is very hyper, you know, my mind is never settled. That's why I don't go into these type of energy work because I cannot do meditations. I cannot do this daily practice. You know, I feel like you die tied down. I cannot, you know, be in this routine of doing it daily, practicing it daily. I just have to be active person. So how would this modality work for me? Can I learn it and still do it?
You can learn it, you can do it. As I said, one full session takes 10 to 15 minutes, but if not a full session, there are certain techniques which you can just invoke and leave it.
Okay.
And it takes hardly 30 seconds or 1 minute to invoke it and just leave it, let it work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even that can work.
Yes, that will also work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Any do's and don'ts? We covered them. Precautions? No. Side effects? No. Precautions? Yes. So I will cover precautions in the course, but the only precaution is if you use it excessively, it may happen many times that people may end up feeling too much strong energies. And then, as I said, there will be pleasant surprises. So with kids, it should not be too much force should not be applied with kids, with elderly people who are above 65, 70 years of age, because their bone structure, their bodily structure is not so much strong enough to hold up and receive that much strong energy. Similar is with kids. So we will cover that in the course, how to know that where to stop and where to restrict it. Yes. Can it be kept personal? Sure. Yes, it can be kept personal. Does this also help heal the work areas? Geeta Joshi ji asks, yes, Geeta ji, it does help in healing the work areas. Thank you. After learning, how long does it take to do the process on daily basis? Well, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. We covered that, and you're really very sober and humble human being. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Shilpa Srivastava, sure.
તું આજે
Okay.
ઓલીની બુક શોધી લે તો પિયુષ લક્ષ્મીની
Meher's iPhone, Shukriya Rahat is in Mumbai, Andheri. Thank you, Meherji. Sure. Can hear clearly, Sanjay. Yes, thank you. Yes, yes, I have done along with running bars and it works fabulously. Yes, so Vani Jaising, she is also bars facilitator and she has shared her experience. Vani, the same person who came online on the call as well. So Vani has shared that she has done running bars and it works fabulously. Yes. My pain in the head is still at 6, sir. Jaya ji is asking. Sure, Jaya ji. Noted. Alka, thanks and gratitude for yesterday's healing. Please take my name in group healing. Sure, Alka Jain. Too much around sacral and root chakra feels like burning sensation. Sure, noted. I had a question on number of levels and also on attunement. Can I speak with you? Sure, Shilpi ji. Basically, right now it's level 1 only. Next level I'll be announcing post August or September. Due to lockdown, lot of things have, I had to put a lot of things on hold, or I had to postpone a lot of things. So as if for now it's level 1, I'll be announcing level 2 after August or September. Yes?
Sushant, I had a question. How many levels are there total in this course?
As of now, there are 3 levels. Okay. And in phases, I'll start to teach them.
Okay. Another question is,
your voice, like can you just keep your earphone, your mic just near your mouth?
Can you hear now?
I can, though it's very low, but still, yes.
Okay. So another question was, in attunement, you will be doing group attunement?
Okay, you asked in attunement, will I give group attunement?
Yeah. Yes.
No, I'll be giving the individual attunement.
Okay. Attunement will be individual.
Yes,
okay.
It will be individual.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Gratitude, Sushanji. Thank you very much. Meeta Shah, pain level 10 plus. What is modality? Pain level 10 plus. What is modality? Meeta Shah ji, I couldn't got your question. Like, do you have right now pain somewhere which is 10 plus? I don't know. Is it that we just ask and it starts working, or we need to think or start visualizing? Yes, we need to think and start visualizing initially, but after few days practice, like 15 to 20, maybe some people get it from next day itself. We all work on at different speed. Yes. So some people are able to do it from next day itself. Some people may take few days practice, but initially you need to think and start visualizing it. Once some time has passed, it just starts working. You just imagine it and it starts working. It's as simple as that. Yashwant. Thank you, Jyoti Ramakrishnan ji. Yashwant, noted. My mother is 18 is unable to express. Can you give her healing? Her name is Asha. Sure, Geeta ji. Jyoti ji asks, how many levels are there? 3 levels. Is there a specific technique of asking after asking what's next? Yes, there is technique which is covered in the course. Geeta, she is unable to express. Can we find out about her expression through this modality? Yes, but yes, Geeta, you can. It will require certain practice for you to do that. Does it take care of entities or black magic? Yes, it does take care of that. In fact, in my live workshop, which I had in March, I had demonstrated that within like just 5 to 6 seconds, with the help of a second symbol, you can remove the black magic. Like if you see it with the aura scanner, any one of you who's having aura scanner, you can check negative IR, negative infrared, and it might be showing yes. You just use the symbol and it goes within second. It goes yes, but then you need to do a proper healing technique for a few days to ensure that the person himself is strong and that they don't catch it again. Yeah, it does works on entities. Yes. Shilpa is asking, I struggle at times with self-discipline, multitasking, and I get affected by my family members' moods. Can this healing modality help me with myself? Yes, it can help you with yourself, Shilpa. Self-discipline, multitasking, getting affected by family members' moods. I think you have a psyche session with me as well. So all these things will, yeah, there it will help already. This modality can also help you in your moods. Whenever you don't have a mood, you can just, get into a good mood with the help of this modality. Is this an independent course or does it include learning of other modality? No, this is an independent course, but it can be combined with other modalities as well. Food routine, simple vegetarian food, preferably during the practice days. If you don't eat after sunset, it would be much better. Like you do circadian rhythm fasting is what they call it. You eat after sunrise and you eat before sunset, like during those times, during those 12 hours. In that 12 hour of time frame you eat. At the night you can have water, you can have liquids, but avoid having like literally a meal or very heavy meal. You can have a few snacks or very light fruits and all, but avoid food as far as possible. Autistic kid Abhinav 6 year unable to speak word. Okay, Shilpa is asking both Chennai, sure, noted. Have relationship and financial blockage and not getting job. Sure. Please repeat the process again. Process for Mitaji. I don't know. Oh, well, thank you. In fact, I would agree with that higher self receiving because finally it's the healer's goodness and intention to help others and how the soul is prepared to receive the most. Thanks for reply. Thank you. Thank you very much, Angela. Chaya Beda Andheri Mumbai. Thank you. Noted. What should we visualize? Like right now during healing session? No, nothing. Just be in the receiving mode. For now, the group healing which I'll be giving, just be in the receiving mode. Maybe I'll guide you through the session also. What is this in individual? Pain in jumps, jaws since yesterday. It's 10 plus. Okay, got it. What should we ask? Sorry. Deep Shika Satish Shinde for knee pain group healing. Kalyan, thank you very much. Geeta Joshi, thank you, sir. Is Aura Scanner a machine? Yes, Aura Scanner is a machine which is used by many Vastu practitioners also to. So basically with Aura Scanner, you can scan someone's chakras, auras, planets, all the directions. You can check black magic, negative entities, everything. So just because it's basically we can do with HFH, we can do it with the healing itself. We don't need that machine. But sometimes people need a second confirmation. Okay, what I am seeing, is it correct or not? Or I just need to see the proof. So for such people, Aura Scanner or even Lecker Antenna, such kind of devices work beautifully. So that I use in my live during my on-ground workshop. I show it live to you, like how with this modality within seconds you can get results, and it can be demonstrated with the help of Aura Scanner or Lecker Antenna. I did it in my workshop, which was there in March in Mumbai. As you said, after healing, one needs to maintain energy. How? Well, one needs to maintain energy. As we all know, energy is never constant. Energy is always changing. Energy is always flowing. So it will not be all time low, but at the same time, it will not be all time high as well. So in order to keep your energy level high, a daily practice of any modality is recommended. Yeah. After healing needs to maintain energy. Well, after healing itself, you will feel energetic. Yeah. So you just need to do healing session whenever you feel like. If not the healing session, you just need to invoke the technique. That's it. Alka Niranjan Singh, Pillai, Chhattisgarh for group healing, not sleeping. Thanks a lot. Thank you. After asking what to visualize, questions. That we'll cover in the modality. Yeah, there are a list of questions. Have you used a scanner? Will you let us know which one to buy? Yes, I have used scanner. I use it in I use it to demonstrate results in all my almost all workshops. Like I use it in Humkara with Halim. I use it in Lama Fera. I use it in highest frequency healing, so that people can recheck the results. You can do it with scanner. You can do it with Lecker antenna. If any one of you having a pendulum, you can check with that. If any one of you are tarot reader, you can check the results with that. If any one of you is an automatic writer, you can check the results with that. Yes. So you can try all the technique and see the changes, see the results from your end, so that you get your confirmation what is the result of this modality. Why I use scanner is because the results are consistent. Whether I'm doing with scanner, whether I am doing or you are doing sitting there, somebody is doing in Dubai, somebody is doing in Singapore, it will show the same results. It will not show different result. Whereas in dowsing, results can be different for different people. In through intuitive readings also, different people may get different results. Yes, please mute yourself. Yeah. Yes, I have used scanner. Okay, I can let you know which one to buy. Sure. Please cover live demo in online workshop also if possible. Thank you. Yes, in online workshop, you will be learning the entire technique during first few hours. And then we will be doing the live demo. Like I'll guide you through the entire process for few cases. Plus after the workshop, we are again meeting every month for at least minimum 1 hour with a group healing session, plus your doubts clearing, plus a demo. So you have it for entire 1 year, every month 1 hour. After the course, in the gap of 15 days, we are again meeting. So don't worry about that. You won't be, everything will be covered. I will be there. Cosmic Healings by Chaitali. Workshop is over Zoom. Sorry, missed yesterday's call. So asking. Yes, Chaitali, workshop will be over the Zoom video calling. Galaxy, after removal of entity, why mention one needs to be strong or maintain energy? How? No, that is for your clients. Because as a healer, we know and we can maintain our energy because you are learning this technique. But as a client, they may not necessarily know this technique. So you need to bring their energy levels to certain, certain benchmark, so that they don't get affected by these things again. So basically, see, black magic means nothing. Any kind of negative emotion, a strong psychic attack is something is termed as black magic. There are other black magic which tantrics and all do, but let me tell you, it's hardly like 0.001% you will see in today's world, because there are not even strong tantrics to practice that black magic today. There are very few. There are very few. And those who do, they will charge you a bomb. So nobody's free to do that. So in today 90, 95, 98, 99% black magic is nothing but basically negative unconscious programming, and that you can resolve with this modality. Yes. Jyoti, yes, okay. Cosmic, starting date and duration and timing also if possible. Yes, it will be on 14th June. It will be from afternoon 1:30 till evening 6. If there are more questions, we can cover more things. Yeah. After asking questions, you also mentioned for a few days we need to visualize. What do we visualize? So visualize means not visualize. It's basically the practice of the modality for 11 days. Yeah. That's great. Thank you. Thank you very much, Jyoti ji. So, okay. Okay, so thank you very much. So now I'm starting with the group healing session for all of you. I'm starting with the group healing session for all of you. Just be in a relaxed position. keep your hands and legs uncrossed. Please do not keep your hands or legs crossed on each other. Keep them uncrossed. Sit relaxed, sit normally. If you want to lie down, you can. Sarabjit, thank you, Sarabjit ji. If you want to lie down, you can. Now just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let it go. Take a deep breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let it go. Again, take a deep breath. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let it go. Now breathe deeply and exhale from your mouth. Again, breathe very deeply and exhale from your mouth. Now relax, breathe normally. I'm starting with the healing session, and after a few minutes, I will start guiding you through the entire session. Yeah. Yes, so keep your eyes closed and see the energies coming from the sky, entering from your crown chakra, spreading across your entire skull, forehead, eyes, nose, cheeks and mouth, neck, chest, belly, hands, wrist, palms and fingers, hip area, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet and fingers. See this energy in the golden color, a very bright golden color. Your entire body is filling up with the golden color. See the golden color ever shining, ever bright that you would have never imagined or seen in your life. Feel your entire body tingling. Now, in whichever part of the body you're having issue, like you're having pain, or whichever emotion from which you are going through, maybe it is feeling burdened through work, maybe it is feeling exhausted, maybe it is feeling depressed. Get into that feeling where the energy you can feel the most in your body. What color does the energy have? What is the shape of the energy? What is the texture? Keep the answers to yourself, and now imagine a luminous white light working on that energy, cleansing it, purifying it, healing it, and bringing it to the level which is for the highest and greatest good for you. Now I'm sending a healing through a sacred geometry symbol on your crown, third eye chakra, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and root. And I'm removing all the negativity at one go from your root to crown, sending it up to the Mother Universe. Here all the chakras are balanced, strengthened, cleansed, balanced, strengthened, and energized. Now see your aura expanding in golden color, 3 feet around your body, 6 feet. See your aura expanding, becoming stronger and stronger, bigger and bigger, filling up the entire room. Be in this pleasant vibrations for a minute. Simultaneously focus on the energy of the issue that you came and this call for, whether it could be pain, whether it could be emotional, mental, spiritual, or financial issue. Every issue has an energy. Get into the connect with that energy. See the in which part of the body you feel it the most. What is the color? What is the texture? What is the shape? Know it and see that energy working with luminous white light. Removing all the tiredness, all the blocks, all the pains, any infections, issues in muscles, bones, any of the 5 organs. Everything is getting worked, everything is getting resolved. across time, space, and reality. See the luminous white light working through it. And now, once you feel the color of that energy to your favorite color, your favorite color could be blue, red, black, anything. You had seen energy previously in one color, and now with the help of luminous white light, it has transformed into your favorite color. As a sign that it has been worked upon. So whenever, if you feel it's still working, let the luminous white light work with that. Be in these vibrations. Most of you would have felt by now it has been worked upon. So slowly open your eyes. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. And whenever you feel like coming out of the session, you can. If you want to lie down for some time, lie down. Okay, now I think all of you can hear me. Thank you, Geeta, thank you, Mehak. Thank you, Niluji. How long is it for? It's done, Manisha. Thank you. So do share your feedback on the WhatsApp group. Do share your feedback with me. What are the changes that you could feel? What was a change in your pain? What was the change in whatever thing you came here for? Whether you got what you came here for, or you got something bigger and greater than that, or something different than that. Be curious. Be curious and see what opened up in your life. Will you be creating WhatsApp group for the ones who enrolled? Yes, Jaya, there will be WhatsApp group for the ones enrolled. Yes, there will be. Thank you, Sonalji. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, lovely purple and white light. Gratitude and big to you. Thank you, Angela. Gratitude. Thank you. And now, if any one of you is feeling the still the luminous white light is working, let it work for some time as long as you feel guided. And whenever you feel guided that it has changed its color to your favorite color, just open your eyes, take a glass of water, drink a glass of water. It would be good if you take a warm water with lemon, warm lemon water, and drink it. It will help in releasing the energies much faster. So thank you very much. And I'm taking leave from all of you. I hope this session helped you. Thank you. Do share your feedback on the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for giving your valuable, precious time. Have a great day ahead. Big namaste from India. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, so for all of you on the call, you remember the highest frequency healing. The offer was for 9,999, which the time has already elapsed. Like we have right now only 1 hour for that. We'll be extending the same offer till 5 p.m. today. You can enroll for the course at 9,999 till 5 p.m. today. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Gratitude.
Thank you for that offer.
Thank you.
You're very
Have a great day
nice.
ahead. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.